Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of online surveys. Those things that pop up everywhere promising easy money for your opinion, but are they really worth your time? We're going to break it all down, look at the cold, hard facts, and figure out if online surveys are a viable side hustle or just a waste of your precious time. We'll be covering everything from how much you can realistically expect to make to the best platforms out there. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what you're getting into and if it's the right side hustle for you. Let's get started. One of the biggest draws of online surveys is just how easy they are to get started. I mean, we're talking like zero barriers to entry here. No need for a fancy degree, years of experience, or even leaving your couch for that matter. All you really need is a laptop, phone, or tablet and a stable internet connection. Most platforms are completely free to join, so you can start racking up those sweet survey rewards without spending a single dime. And the best part, it's crazy flexible. You can literally work from anywhere in the world at any time of day. Whether you're an early bird or a night owl, you can squeeze in surveys whenever it fits your schedule. No more rigid 9-to-5 grind, you're the boss here. This makes it a super attractive option for students, stay-at-home parents, or anyone looking to make some extra cash on the side. The world of online surveys is vast, my friends. There are tons of different platforms out there, each with its own unique set of surveys and reward systems. You've got your Swagbucks, your Survey Junkie, your Vindel Research, and a whole bunch more. And the best part is you're not just limited to filling out boring questionnaires. Some platforms offer a wider range of tasks like watching videos, testing out apps, or even participating in focus groups. This variety keeps things interesting and gives you the chance to find the platforms and tasks that best suit your interests, and of course maximize your earning potential. Don't be afraid to experiment and try out different platforms to see which ones work best for you. All right, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the pay. Now, I'm not going to lie, the hourly rate for online surveys isn't exactly going to make you rich. In fact, it's often significantly lower than other side hustles out there. Think more along the lines of earning a little extra spending money rather than replacing your full-time income. Most surveys pay out in points or gift cards, which you can then redeem for cash or other rewards. The conversion rate varies depending on the platform, but it's usually not a 1-to-1 ratio. So, while those surveys promising a quick $5 might seem tempting, it's important to factor in the time it takes to actually complete them and how much those points are actually worth. Here's the thing about online surveys. They're not created equal for everyone. Unfortunately, certain demographics might find themselves facing fewer opportunities or getting screened out of surveys more often. This can be due to a variety of factors like age, location, occupation, or even your interests. For example, if you're a 16-year-old living in a rural area, you might not qualify for as many surveys as a 30-year-old living in a major city. It's not exactly fair, but it's the reality of the online survey world. The good news is that there are platforms out there that cater to specific demographics, so it's all about finding the right fit for you. Don't get discouraged if you don't qualify for every survey that comes your way. Just keep searching, and you'll eventually find the platforms that value your opinions. We've all been there. You're cruising through a survey thinking, easy money, and then bam, you get hit with a million questions about your car insurance or your favorite brand of toothpaste. The truth is, some surveys can be deceptively long and tedious, especially for the payout offered. You might find yourself spending 30 minutes on a survey that only rewards you with a measly 50 cents. That's why it's crucial to be picky about the surveys you choose. Don't be afraid to abandon a survey if it's taking too long or if the questions seem irrelevant. Your time is valuable, my friends, and you don't want to waste it on surveys that aren't worth the effort. Look for surveys with a clear indication of their estimated completion time and payout so you can make an informed decision. So, there you have it, the pros and cons of online surveys. It's an easy way to make a little extra cash on the side, but don't expect to get rich quick. The pay might be low and some surveys can be a total drag, but hey, if you've got some free time and you're looking for a super flexible side hustle, it might be worth checking out. Just remember to manage your expectations. Be strategic about the platforms and surveys you choose, And most importantly, don't quit your day job just yet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching.